Is now the right time to buy or sell Walmart stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Walmart. Our initial report was posted on our website on Thursday, February 1, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 25, 2024, our system has identified Walmart as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.94. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.36%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.56% since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, moving horizontally. This often presents a good opportunity to sell. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $171.15, it could signal a strong buy opportunity and indicate a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 0.95% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within the range of -8.95% to 2.65%. For the 12-month trend, we anticipate a 13.25% change over the next year. This suggests a possible return between 3.48% and 17.08%. In terms of price, this would correspond to a range of $174.16 to $197.06 after 1 year. In our latest Walmart update, we have some exciting news. Walmart stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 1, 2024, the Walmart stock price experienced a gain of 1.85%. It rose from $165.25 to $168.31. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.92%, reaching a low of $165.19 and a high of $168.35. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 occasions, resulting in a 3.11% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although volume fell by -1 million shares on the last day, a total of 6 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $980.52 million. It's worth noting that falling volume on higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the coming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached was $169.94, while the lowest was $136.09. Currently, the price is 0.96%, or $1.63, below the 52-week high of $169.94, which happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Here are some recent analyst ratings for Walmart, WMT. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Tigris Financial gave Walmart a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Walmart an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Walmart an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, November 13, 2023, Stephens gave Walmart an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Tigris Financial gave Walmart a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Walmart stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Today, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Walmart stock. Let's dive in. The Walmart stock is showing positive signs from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. In addition, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downward correction, it is likely to find support at $164.54 and $159.30. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 8, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 11.57%. The upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is reached. It is worth noting that the volume fell during the last trading day, despite the stock's price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock's performance. Some negative signals have also been identified, which might have an influence on the stock's short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's dive in. First up is the moving average convergence divergence, which is showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave a buy signal 37 days ago. Bollinger is another indicator to keep an eye on. It gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is currently showing a sell signal that occurred 8 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 26 days ago. When we compare the short and long moving averages, we can see a buy signal that occurred 23 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 30 days ago. On the contrary, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal that occurred 17 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal that occurred 7 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Walmart. When it comes to the downside, Walmart stock has found support just below today's level at $156.04 and $155.35. It's important to note that there's always a certain level of risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, the stock could potentially drop to the next support level. In this case, if Walmart stock breaks the $156.04 support, the next levels of support can be found at $155.35 and $154.34. However, it's worth mentioning that Walmart stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low. Looking at the recent data, the stock had a price range of $3.16 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which represents a 1.92% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.41%. Before we get into the potential trading levels for Walmart, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Walmart has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often seen in companies with a long history or predictable revenue. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Walmart's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected on February 20, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $1.63. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Walmart. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Walmart is at $169.78. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to explore for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, Walmart faces its first support level at $156.04. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the near future. The average rating for Walmart from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 25, 2024, Macmillan C. Douglas sold 9,708 shares of common stock. On January 24, 2024, Ferner John R. sold 4,375 shares of common. On January 16, 2024, Nicholas Christopher James sold 104,751 shares of common. On January 16, 2024, Chinovsky David sold 78,488 shares of common stock. On January 12, 2024, Macmillan C. Douglas bought 18,900 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -92.526. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 548,349 shares and sold 16,298,705 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $163.19, representing a decrease of 3.04%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 36 days ago. Is Walmart stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are positive signals indicating that Walmart stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. We have upgraded our assessment from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 2nd, we anticipate Walmart to open with a decrease of $1.03, starting at $167.28. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're curious to know what your target for the stock is. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Lastly, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards, the Stock Invest team.